You love pizza?
Yes, I do. You sound like a retard.
You're a retard.
Is it an ice cream? No, actually you are, but...
I think you are.
I think you are, because you look like a foot.
Your foot doesn't even work right now.
Oh yeah, but you don't even know what I look like, and I'm very beautiful.
Mackenzie Ziegler, that's a little bit conceited.
Who's that?
You.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
I know who I am.
I don't think you do.
Oh, but I do.
Oh, I don't think you do.
Get off the phone or I will call the freaking police.
Ooh, I'm so scared.
Okay, well, you're, really annoying.
Bye! Whoa.
If you never leave, and we can live like this.
Then FaceTime us right now and show us your Miranda.
Oh, no, I actually don't need to do that.
Why? Where's your proof?
Okay, fine, I'll do it, but I call you.
Okay.
Great.
That was face. Why are you covering your face? Because you know you're not Marie. Hello. Hello.
We built a